Yeah. Try to show him, just give him a different kind of life, you know? Show him around.
Can I take a photo?
Yeah.
It's a girl or a guy?
Oh, this is Peanut the turtle.
How long did you have him?
21 years. I had him from Christmas Eve 2003.
He's a Christmas baby.
Yeah. It's going to be 22 years pretty soon.
Oh, he's older than me.
Oh, yeah?
So cute.
You guys make all these things, your family.
So everything in here is handmade by my boss's family, friends.
Oh, that's cool. That's a good business.
Yeah.
You know, be creative. That's awesome. What's your name?
Zariah.
All right. This is Peanut the turtle.
Hi, Peanut.
Thank you.
Bye.